Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change battery for the watch. This is the CASIO that my sister bought from Costco. And then somehow the battery for the watch, it is dead. But as you can see, the light is still working. So let's go ahead and get it started. This one is a special tool required to, unless you have a thin plier, like a nose plier to put in between these two contact points, and then turn it counter clockwise. So I got this special tool, and I'm just gonna line it up. I already adjusted already, so I'm just gonna turn it clockwise. Okay, and now I could turn it with my fingers. You want to turn it when it's all the way loose, and then now you can remove the back cover. All right, so this is a tricky part. Nobody show you guys on how to do this. This battery, if you peel this sticker off, this is the battery for the indigo light. So let's go ahead and you could just pry out slowly between that metal plate. All right, and then here is come apart. And on the inner, this is where the battery is at for the watch. And you want to use like a flat head screwdriver to pry out the battery. Make sure you hold this down while I try to pry out. Oh, it just flew out. So it's on the ground. So anyway, so this is the last battery that I have from, I bought this at eBay. Energizer 371 or 370. It is also compatible with the different models. Okay. So let's put this in, and your watch should start working. Push this down. So as you can see, it is ticking. Well, right now the light is not working because I didn't put the bigger battery in there yet. So when you want to put this back, I'm just going to pull out the crown. Make sure you line up with this gap right here for the stem, for the crown. And before you push in, you gotta press this spring down for the button. Else it's not gonna go in. So press this down, the spring, and then now it's going in, okay? And then now you can screw the back cover in. Make sure it is sit in evenly. If you don't do it right, you're gonna strip the thread. All right, and then after that, you just use the tool and then tight it. All right, that's it. So anyway, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. This is a DIY. Unless your watch is still under warranty, you might want to return it or something like that. Let me get the battery that was coming out from this watch. So this is the original battery by Maxwell. And somehow the number shows differently, but this is the compatible watch battery from the Energizer. Okay. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.